Ang dating magkaalyado ngayon nagbabangayan dahil sa taliwas na opinyon sa RH bill. Pero may mas malalim pa raw na dahilan ang hidwaan ni na Senator Juan Ponce Enrile at ng kanyang inaanak sa kasal na si Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago. At kahit Pasko, hindi pa raw sila handang magkaayos. May report si Mariz Umali.
I was shocked right out of my skin because in the Philippines, it's like, you know, throwing your glove and slapping somebody's face with it.
So I said to myself, maybe she does not really like me as a person.
Tila hindi lang sulian ng regalo kundi sulian pa ng kandilang kahahantungan ng hidwaan ni na Senador Juan Ponce Enrile at Senador Miriam Defensor Santiago. Matatanda ang kamakailan ay sinabi ni Senador Santiago na kasinlamig ng yelo ang kanilang relasyon ng dating ninong sa kasal. Matapos itong isauli ni Senador Enrile, ang pamaskong regalo sana sa kanya ni Senador Santiago. Tingin ng senadora, bunsod ito ng magkasalungat nilang pananaw sa kontrobersyal na reproductive health bill. Pero tila mas malalim pa rito ang pinag-ugatan ng hidwaan ng dalawang senador.
It started that feeling must have developed a long time ago when I opposed her confirmation for the position of Secretary of Agrarian Reform during the time of the late President Cory Aquino. The husband of Miriam was working in the Bureau of Customs and got this car. I do not know how he did it, and made Miriam use it for her transportation system in going to her job as a regional trial judge in Quezon City. I asked a very valid question, which is proper in a confirmation hearing, whether she had been subjected to a psychiatric examination. And she admitted that she did.
I have no desire to go back into political history because I don't think anyone else, apart from the two of us, are even remotely interested in these things. And it would be scandalous for two public officials to keep on quarreling on a personal basis when there is no national interest at stake. So for me, tapos na yung banggaan na yan, nasabi na niya yung panig niya, nasabi ko na yung panig ko, the end.
Marami silang pinagsamahan sa mga nakaraang kampanya at nasa isang bakod pa sila na suportahan nila sa dating Pangulong Joseph Estrada sa kanyang kinaharap na impeachment trial noong taong 2000. Pero sa ngayon, tila malalim na nga ang sugat na iniwan ng kanilang di pagkakasundo sa iba't ibang isyong pinagdedebatihan sa Senado pati sa kanilang mga profesional na buhay. Dahil nang tanungin ko kung may pag-asa pa kung sila'y magkakabati.
I have made up my mind not to have any association with her.
So even in the spirit of Christmas, wala na pong mangyayaring reconciliation?
I observe the spirit of Christmas with prayers, but I don't flaunt my religion or my knowledge of godliness.
Oh, it takes two parties to reconcile, and perhaps you should just let time pass. Time is a great healer. At this time, I think that the wounds are still fresh.
Hindi naman daw maaaring sabihing unparliamentary o unethical ang pagsasauli niya ng regalo dahil dati na niya itong ginawa, taliwas sa sinasabi ni Santiago. Pero sinabi ni Enrile na kung personal lamang niya sinulatan ng regalo ay maaari pa niya itong tinanggap. Mariz Umali, GMA News.